Hey guys, welcome back to Learning Repo. In this video, we are going to see about few online courses which are free of cost. So, if this sounds interesting, let's get into the video. Course 1. Data Science Math Skills. This course is designed to teach learners the basic math you will need in order to be successful in almost any data science math course and was created for learners who have basic math skills but may not have taken algebra or pre-calculus. Data science math skill introduces the core math that data science is built upon with no extra complexity, introducing unfamiliar ideas and math symbols one at a time. To pursue this course, click on Go to Class. Once you click on Go to Class option, it will redirect you to Coursera. Now click on Enroll for free and now click on Continue. As you can see, this course is available for free till December. The syllabus covered in this course are building blocks for program solving, functions and graphs, measuring rates of change and introduction to probability theory. Course 2. Cloud Computing Basics, Cloud 101. This course deals with the basics of cloud computing, what it is, what it supports and how it is delivered. We will delve into storage services, cloud economics, level of managed infrastructure and Azure services, and will also explore different deployment methods of cloud computing as well as several hosting scenarios. Last but not least, we will compare some of the cloud platforms and discuss the future of cloud computing. To pursue this course, click on Go to Class. Once you click on Go to Class option, it will redirect you to Coursera. Now click on Enroll for free and now click on Continue. The syllabus covered in this course are what is cloud, levels of managed services, deployment models, hosting scenarios, comparing cloud platforms and future of cloud computing. Course 3. Developing AI application on Azure. For those who doesn't know Azure, it's nothing but the cloud services provided by Microsoft. So this course introduces the concepts of artificial intelligence and machine learning. We'll discuss machine learning types and tasks and machine learning algorithms. You will explore Python as a popular programming language for machine learning solutions, including using some scientific ecosystem packages which will help you to implement machine learning. Next, this course introduces the machine learning tools that are available in Microsoft Azure. We'll review standardized approaches to data analytics and you will receive specific guidance on Microsoft's team data science approach. The syllabus covered in this course are Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Standardized AI Process and AI Azure Resources, Azure Cognitive APIs, Azure Machine Learning Services, Model Training and Machine Learning Service, Model Management and Deployment. The enrollment process is same set for the previous course. Course 4. Build your first Android app. This course is designed for learners who have some prior experience in programming in Java. This is a project-centered course. You will design, build and distribute your own unique application for the Android mobile platform. They will provide you with a set of customizable building blocks that you can assemble to create many different types of apps, and that will help you to become familiar with many important specifications of Android development. When you complete the project, in addition to have a personalized app that you can use and share, you will have the skills and the background you need to move on to more advanced coursework in Android development. The syllabus covered in this course are Introduction, create the storyboard for your application, install tools, create Hello World app, build your first interactive application, toward your application, step by step and transform your storyboard into actual application. The link for all the courses are given in the description. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure that you drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.